fans, we're back
for another video, and I'm dancing again.
We're back with another experiment from the Slime Lab by
Guar.
So the last one we got super messy. So hopefully this one won't be so messy, but I suspect it will be. This one is called Make Your Own Slime.
Cool.
So you need from the kit purple Make Your Own Slime powder and pot.
And pot. Yes,
Okay.
we have it.
You need a mixing stick.
Stick.
And you need some warm water.
Okay, but the warm water was from our house.
Yes, that's from our house. Yeah.
And some newspaper also from our house.
Yeah, again, this one says this experiment can get very messy. So protect your work area. And I can say from the last one that gave us that message, that warning, it was completely right.
Yeah.
We would have made a proper mess if we hadn't have had newspaper.
Uh-huh.
So anyway, do you want to know what we need to do?
Yes, I do.
You need to open the sachet of powder.
I'm not good at opening those. Can I
and pour it into the pot.
Into this pot?
Into that pot.
Okay. It's good they come with pots.
So I'm gonna, it says do not eat or swallow.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm gonna cut this with scissors.
Last time you tried to open it with your...
I know, which I wouldn't recommend. It's not really the right thing to do. So try and get it all in the pot.
Okay. Seems easy enough. Is that all of it?
Is it all in?
No, there's a tiny wee corner bit. Ooh, powder. Nothing really coming out.
Okay.
Is it stinky?
Don't breathe it in.
Oh no.
Does it really smell bad? Oh, that is nasty. Okay.
We're gonna die. The solvents.
So what we need to do now is add water, filling the pot nearly to the top.
Okay, how about you tell me when to start?
Okay. Medium fastly. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. You know what happened with the gummy? You did it too slowly. Keep going, 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 keep going. Stop.
There you go, but there's still some powder at the bottom.
Right, so now you're going to mix it slowly with your stick and watch it become gloopy.
Should I try? Should I make sure,
It goes there, down to the bottom.
I want to see it.
It around slowly.
When it becomes... You should do it.
No, carry on.
Does smell bad. All of this stuff smells bad. The last one smelled of stinky socks.
I think this one might be one that you need to have patience, which, you know,
we
all know is not one of your strong points. Now, it does say, leave for around 5 minutes to thicken up.
Okay.
So, should we leave it for 5 minutes? I think it is getting a bit thicker.
Yeah. Or should we just keep mixing?
Well, I think we can leave it for 5 minutes and come back.
Okay, we're back again.
So we've left it 5 minutes.
Well, a bit more than 5 minutes.
Bit more than 5 minutes. And now we'll see what it's like. So do you want to do it?
Ooh!
It is, oh, it's gloopy. Give it a stir around.
Ooh!
Ooh.
Still doesn't look like slime.
Can I have a go? So let's give it a bit more of a mix.
Yeah, I feel like we need to mix it a little bit more.
And it says if it's lumpy to add more water, but I don't think we've got lumpiness, have we?
No.
I think it just needs a bit. Ooh.
Ooh.
I mean, it's definitely slimish.
Yeah. I mean, remember in the Galaxy one, at first it was really sticky, but then it got more slimy.
And as we played with it, it got better, didn't it? I quite like the colour of this. It's like a lilac.
Or lilac, I don't know, whatever you want to call it.
So it says when you're happy with it, take it out of the pot.
Should we Wait.
And see how it feels.
Wait, can I try?
But do you really want to risk it?
Can I try and mix some, please?
Go on then. Oh, I've got some on me.
How is it?
It's gloopy still.
I mean, it's slimish.
I know, but I think it's too slimy because look.
Ugh.
So I'm giving this a good mix again.
I don't think.
And now it's getting really quite difficult to mix.
I think we should try.
And it's
We're trying it.
getting quite slimy. So
we're trying it. We're trying it.
Do you want to do it?
We're trying it now, Mother. But I'm trying it first.
Okay, well, I'm just getting this off the stick.
Okay, can I tell you how I'm gonna do this as an approach?
Hang on, I got a bit here.
The
Go on
good
then.
engineering point of view. You can have that bit.
Oh, thanks. I get this bit.
I'm just gonna take it all out. That's a good approach. Get the rest out, Mum. Ah! Ooh! Science fans, we've got to play with this more so it doesn't become
it's
tragic.
still warm.
Warm? Oh no!
Oh, this is gloopy.
Is this slime?
I mean, well, yeah, look.
Well, look at this, science fans. Our hands are a mess. Look at my hands.
Well, if you roll it like that, it all comes off.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Gloop, gloop.
Oh, it's not coming off me! Ah! Wah! It's tricky!
It does get less gloopy as you play with it.
Okay,
like
I feel
the other
like
one.
we should play this with this for a while.
So,
Science fans, this is for the content. We're doing this for you. So it would mean a lot to us if you could smash that subscribe button. Because this is the pain we're going through. What do you think, Mum? Do you think they should subscribe?
Definitely. If you like slime, then subscribe.
Subscribe. Wait, what does the slime say? I think you should subscribe.
So anyway, shall I tell you why it's gone slimy?
Yes.
So, do you remember the... oh, careful.
Help me get this.
Right, okay, stop.
Okay.
Right.
It's
I tell you what, you are the master of disaster. Don't just stay still. Oh, God. This is why we needed newspapers, science fans.
Slimy. Oh, jeez. Well, at least it's getting better.
Ellie gets slime absolutely everywhere. I don't know how you do it. It's unbelievable. Oh, no, I've done it now.
It's not just me.
Anyway, I was trying to tell you about the science, okay?
Tell
Shall I
me.
tell you about the science? So the reason that this is like slime, right, is because it contains guar gum.
What's that?
Well, it's from the guar bean, okay, which goes gooey and slimy when you add water. It's the same kind, sometimes have it in chewing gum, right?
Okay.
So... and because we've added more water than there is powder, it's more liquid than solid.
Oh, yeah.
So it's gone
Slimy.
quite gooey.
Do you think we added too much water, perhaps?
Possibly.
Maybe the instructions were just
Well,
a
no,
little
I
bit
don't
wrong.
actually. I don't think we did. I think we added as much as it said to add, and like always when we've made slime, the more you play with it, the more ungooey it gets.
Yeah.
Right?
I mean, it's getting a little bit rippy now.
Yeah.
Where...
So anyway,
Why are you popping it?
so that was the make your own slime experiment.
Yeah.
How would you like to score it?
I'm scoring a 10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10.
What do you score it? Actually, no, 9 out of 10 because it's very messy.
Let me try.
Okay, I'll give you half.
Half,
I'll give you
okay.
half. Halfies.
So I'm going to give it a... I'm going to give it an 8.
Actually, I'll give it an 8 too because it's just super messy.
Because it is super messy.
Super messy. But it's also super fun.
I have to say, of all the slimes we've made, this is the least lumpy one.
Is it?
Yeah, because mostly we've had lumpy slime. And look, there's no lumps in this one at all.
Yeah, that isn't.
So, you know, for the slime quality is high.
I think we can save some of the slime. Oh, no.
No, you're going to get newspaper
No, we
on it.
can't.
So, yeah, so I'm going to give it an 8. You're giving it an 8?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so...
Give it a solid 8.
Make your own slime gets an 8, science fans. We'll probably end up playing with this
for a while.
For a little bit longer. It says, if you want to keep it nice and slimy...
Yes.
Keep it in its little pot.
Let's keep it in its little pot.
Yeah. So I think we should do that. But anyway, we're going to carry on playing with this. But we'll see you next time. Don't forget to have a look at our science channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe, because Sheldon says so.
And we'll see you next time. Bye. For now.